Hey there, savvy financial explorers and future credit champions. Welcome back to the Biz Mentor Junction. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of credit, demystifying the fundamentals, breaking down the jargon, and ensuring you're armed with the knowledge to take charge of your credit destiny. If you're ready to unravel the mystery behind credit scores and reports, you're in for an enlightening ride. But before we begin, make sure you've hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the golden nuggets we're about to share. Picture credit as a financial snapshot of your past borrowing behavior, a snapshot that lenders use to evaluate your creditworthiness. At the core of it all is your credit score, a 3-digit number that can open doors or leave them firmly shut. To understand your credit score, let's break it down. Think of it like a recipe. You've got different ingredients that contribute to the final dish, in this case, your credit score. The ingredients? They're factors like payment history, credit utilization, types of credit, length of credit history, and recent credit inquiries. Now, let's talk about the credit report. It's like the detailed blueprint behind your credit score, showcasing your financial journey. Your credit report lists your credit accounts, balances, payment history, and any missed payments or defaults. You'll find sections dedicated to open accounts, closed accounts, and public records like bankruptcies or tax liens. It's like your financial resume, and it's crucial that the information here is accurate. Your credit score isn't just a random number, it falls within a specific range that lenders use to gauge your risk level. Scores typically range from 300 to 850, and the higher your score, the better your financial health. A score of 700 and above? You're in good territory. Between 650 and 700, you're doing alright, but there's room for improvement. Below 650? It's time to roll up your sleeves and start taking action. Now, why does all of this matter? Well, your credit score influences more than just loan approvals. It affects your interest rates, think of it as your financial reputation. A higher score means better rates and more favorable terms. It impacts your ability to secure a rental home, qualify for a credit card, and even score a job. Yes, you heard that right. Employers are increasingly checking credit reports as part of their hiring process. So, what's the next step? It's simple, knowledge is power. By understanding the basics of credit, you're taking the reins of your financial journey. Hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and let's continue this journey together. In upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into each credit factor, debunk common myths, and equip you with the tools you need to enhance your credit score. Your financial transformation begins here, right now. Thank you for tuning in to the Buzz Mentor Junction. Remember, the more you know about credit, the more you can leverage it to your advantage. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned for more insightful episodes. Until next time, keep learning and leveling up your credit game. Catch you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let's create a community of credit-savvy individuals. Click the link below to get started on taking your credit to the next level. Stay tuned for more credit wisdom and tips that'll change your financial narrative. See you soon.